Looking for the best value? Before you buy any cable TV signal strength meter, you need to see this. It's incredible. In this video, I picked the best cable TV signal strength meter of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Cimple Coax cable tester. Mastering complex network layouts becomes surprisingly simple with this commercial-grade mapping and tracking unit. It features 8 unique color-coded locators that are cleverly stored in the base, alongside a 9V battery and a protective carrying case for maximum organization. The unit is optimized for CATV, satellite, and security systems, allowing for the simultaneous testing of multiple lines using BNC, RCA, or F connectors with absolute safety. Troubleshooting is significantly streamlined via the brilliant LED screen, a built-in short detector, and a helpful tone generator for precise line tracing in walls. You can identify up to 8 different cables at once, while the automatic power-down feature ensures your battery life is preserved for future difficult jobs in the field. This ruggedly built equipment combines professional durability with a highly intuitive interface for accurate identification in any residential or commercial wiring environment imaginable. Next, we have the Klein Tools Connector Kit. For those who demand high-quality craftsmanship and professional longevity, this comprehensive package provides everything required to strip, connect, and verify coaxial lines with absolute precision. The included radial stripper features a clever single-operation design that shaves significant time off your cable preparation tasks during a busy workday. You also receive 6 patented push-on connectors for RG6 cables that provide a secure, toolless grip for long-lasting reliability without the need for expensive crimpers. Verification of your work is handled by the legendary Coax Explorer 2 tester, which quickly checks for open, shorted, or perfectly working connections to ensure peak performance. Klein Tools is recognized as an industry leader for innovation, and this versatile kit proves why they are a trusted name for fast and accurate Coax cable installations for users of any skill level. It is truly the gold standard for anyone looking to build professional-grade cables in seconds. At number 3, the Cimple Co Signal Strength Meter. This specific TV signal strength meter kit serves as a dependable utility for anyone needing to calibrate antenna positioning for the best possible digital reception. It is especially fantastic for RV enthusiasts or residential installations, providing a signal meter, adapter kit, and a high-quality coaxial cable in one convenient package. Locking onto powerful broadcast signals is faster than ever thanks to the vivid LED feedback display and a sensitivity dial that allows for precision aiming in remote areas. Since it is constructed from high-grade materials, it supports terrestrial digital broadcasts reliably for many years of heavy outdoor use. The simple plug-and-play operation ensures a stress-free setup whether you are in a stationary home or traveling across the country in your favorite motorhome. This kit effectively eliminates the guesswork from finding the best broadcast towers, ensuring you never miss your favorite shows while on the road or at home. Our fourth pick is the Cimple Co Antenna Amplifier Kit. If you are struggling with pixelated images or weak reception, this adjustable 24 dB antenna distribution amplifier offers a robust way to boost your broadcast signal strength effectively. It is designed for indoor environments and supports a huge range of formats, including VHF, UHF, FM, and digital ATSC or NTSC broadcasts for total compatibility. By minimizing signal distortion while amplifying the feed, it is perfect for long cable runs or large households with multiple television sets connected to one antenna. The unit is protected by a heavy-duty metal housing and features a clear power indicator light along with 2 mounting ports for easy installation. To get the best results, place it within 300 feet of the antenna and adjust the gain knob fully during the initial setup process. This kit also includes an RG6 coaxial cable to make your installation process even faster and more convenient for achieving crystal-clear high-definition viewing immediately. And for our final pick, the Tegeo Coax Repair Kit. Dealing with cable maintenance and troubleshooting becomes a breeze with this compact and highly efficient coaxial repair kit, perfect for professional or home projects. The integrated tester allows for advanced fault tracing, enabling users to pinpoint wire breaks or connectivity issues in seconds without calling an expensive technician. Using a combination of bright LED lights and audible sound alerts, the device confirms successful links across various cable lengths with total accuracy. Operation is incredibly straightforward. Simply attach the transmitter to the wall outlet and the adapter to your cable to begin testing your entire line immediately. Because it is powered by a standard AAA battery, it is ready for deployment right out of the box for any emergency repair. Weighing just 38 grams, this durable tool is small enough to fit into any pocket or crowded technician's toolkit for the ultimate portability and convenience. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.